This project was for a client that wanted a low maintenance garden. The job took 4 weeks to complete. It took probably about a month in planning. Once we had decided it was definitely going to go with artificial grass, then there was the paving, the fencing, the type of stones that was going to create the borders. The client just really wanted a very usable space, but also as low maintenance as possible.
So basically we started off with a digger and dumper, cleared out everything because it was quite unlevel, brought our MOT in, our base, and first of all we've done the fence and then we cracked on from there. Really what we've created is a blank canvas, just perfect for the client's brief and just ready for her to add to and make very unique and bespoke to herself. I get great satisfaction from seeing a transformation like this job. Where we started, it was overgrown, not usable, to something as good as this. I'll go straight home and show the missus and the kids.
So Prestige Lawns started in 2012 and that was off the back of me running the lawnmower over the wire. So Kevin came up with the idea to lay artificial grass in the garden and that's how it started. Artificial grass is our main element of the business, but adding in patios, decking, fencing, gravel borders, driveways, all elements of hard landscaping and garden renovation. We're a family run business and we also do a lot of commercial work. That can be things like driving ranges, crazy golf courses. We also do schools and nursery. We work with all different clients, whether they're young families, business ladies like here who just wants a really clean space. We also work with elderly, the people that can't look after their gardens. We'd sit down with the client and agree what's going to be the best design, how it's going to work best for them, and just come up with something that's practical, low maintenance and will work all year round.